Today I'm going to show you how to make this travel animation in Canva. Go to videos and open new video project. Let's use this image. Drag it to the design, increase the size like this, animate, scroll down to drift and change the direction and increase the intensity to the maximum. Go to elements and type transparent, airplane, window. Let's use this one. Increase the size like this. You can see the first slide. Duplicate. Increase the size of this window. Go to layers, show layers, click in the image. Increase a little bit the size. Go to animations and choose breathe out and make the maximum of the scale. Add text. Type your text. Change the font and change the color. Let's make a shadow. Place it in the middle. Animate. Blur. Choose character and lower the speed to the minimum. Add transition. Match and move. Increase the duration. And here's the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.